What's up, everybody? Good afternoon. Whatever part of the world you're joining from, good evening and good morning. Nice to have you guys. Today it's just going to be an amazing session on live trading, doing analysis on various pairs, and then we get to ask questions. Already, we have people already joining the membership. I have the vibes. The vibes. Welcome to the to Jeffrey Benson's channel's membership. Nice to have you. Just became a YouTube member right here. All right, so let's get started. I'd like to know where you guys are joining in from. I'm currently right now in Lagos, Nigeria. Where are you joining me from? Where are you guys from? Where are you from? Oh, amazing. Thank you very much, Monitex. Let's go. Everybody is just jiggy. Everyone is ready, but let me know your name and where you're joining from. We have importer photography from Orca. We have from Lagos, Ghana, Morocco. Valentine is from Morocco. From England, Ibadan, Lagos, India, New Delhi, Chidera, Benin City, Abeokuta. We have people from different part of the world. You guys are most. Afam from Orca and is a super member too as well. Afam, you're welcome. We have Talabi from the UK, Kwara, Lagos, Liberia, FCD, everywhere. Everyone is just well joined and everyone is excited. CJ is a super member. One for Jude from Abba. Nice to have you. We have someone from Oman, Ibadan, Bayelsa, South Sudan, Ethiopia, Liberia, Nigeria. And people from Ethiopian is Mukhtar. Welcome, everybody. So now it's about time for us to go live. So today we're going to be talking about chart analysis on various pairs. We're going to be cutting across GBP USD and US 30 on gold, all your favorite pairs, and I'll have you guys to give me pairs that you want me to really do analysis on. Then I'll do that. Then we get to trade together. All right. So if you're ready, just drop number one on the chart. If you're ready, drop number one on the chart. This is Abdul Wahab. He's a super member from Lokoja. You're welcome, Abdul Wahab. Welcome. And then we have Chumelo. He's Kenyan. He's a super member too. He's from Kenya. Chumelo. You're welcome, Chumelo. Larry from Nigeria is also a super member. You're welcome. You're welcome. So everyone, just drop number one if you're ready. Oh, ready. Almost everyone said they're ready. Sabelo from South Africa. You're welcome. Everyone is ready. So now let's go. Let's get this going. Let me share my chart to a proper presentation from A to Z. Can you guys see my screen? Everyone can see my screen, I guess. So this platform I'm using, in case you're wondering, is what's called TradingView. All right, if you are new, it's fine to have all these questions. What's this website called? What is the app called? Where do you place trade? How do you do it? How do you get paid out? Would they pay you? How would that money land on my own bank account in my country? How does it work? All these questions, we've been answering those questions from class to class. But today we're just going to be doing analysis, taking trades, and this advanced stuff. So if you want to learn more on how to do all those things, we have join free class here. This class right here is going to show you how exactly. No, not this one. I think not. Let me stop sharing. Show you the right. Not this one. Log in. Super admin. So here, this free class here is going to teach you all the basic stuff, what you need to know from what is forex, brokerages, how these things work, how the money will land in your account, how to fund an account, everything here, the basic things. This course is for free, you don't have to pay anything. But however, if you want to be a part of our mentorship plan where you can learn fast with us, the beginners class, the intermediate, and the advanced, you can come on here, you learn everything ASAP, whether with the 1 month, 3 month, 6 month, or the 1 year plan. Any one of them just work perfectly fine for you. All right. So now, first, today, I want to be teaching you guys how to do proper analysis, how to place trade, and how to execute. So basically, if you're on any trade right now, this is how you should be trading it. This is what you should be doing at each point in time. If I'm about to do analysis, whether it's going to be a buy or it's going to be a sell, and what time frame you should hold it for, number of pips you should be targeting, and also to put stop loss to put as well. All right. So let's go. Let's get this started. I'm going to start with obviously GBP USD. So last week I gave a signal on GBP USD, and the signal I gave was for this was on a Monday. Okay, this is Thursday. I traded, we made crazy profit on GBP USD last week, but this was for Monday analysis. Monday analysis is I gave for a buy. Oh my god, this is my chart. My hand this morning just keeps timing it out. I called a signal for a buy from here. For Monday, we went into very massive profit. If you make profit from this analysis I gave, drop number one on the chart on this GBP USD. There are a lot of analysis I gave. I remember. If you made profit from it first, before we proceed, let's know how well we are doing, how much we are. Okay, Emmanuel saying one. If you made profits, drop number one. Drop number one. Drop number one. If you made profit, okay, one from this GBP USD trade, one. Okay, amazing. And again, by the way, we have people that, let me share all my screen so that we can take it to the Telegram where I used to send my signals to as well. So we can use that to track what we've been doing. Present, share all screen. Come in, let me put the Telegram. Yeah. Share entire screen. So I want to do just a quick comparison with what we have on. This is our Telegram, and this is last week Monday. I want us to review what we've done till today, right? Last week Monday should be somewhere around 20. Yeah. So last week Monday we did analyze GBP USD. This is our first trade that we did analyzed, and we said GBP USD is going to be for a buy. So that thing you see here was what we had on here. Which is here. All right. So it's for a buy. So we risked 16 pips to target 56 pips. That means 1 to 3.4 risk to reward. And immediately that got hit. Boom. We had a new downturn, right? Good stuff. So that's on GBP USD. So now let me do the another analysis for this week's GBP USD so that you know where exactly we should be headed to, and then you can trade in that direction. I'm going to talk about that pair. You notice that it's not just only GBP USD we analyzed. We did analysis for other ones like NZD USD, XA USD, BTC. William did that. Euro USD, AUD NZD, USD CAD, GBP JPY. We are going to be going over these pairs again, over these ones again. So let's go. So for GBP USD already, I'm seeing a very nice pullback for a good entry. I saw this trade right here when it was gathering up here once I was talking to my team a while ago now. From here, I see that it's a very clean buy that happened. But then since we miss out on that, I'll wait for price to get here before shorting. All right, I won't wait for price to get here, then I'll short from there. Why? Because price is an uptrend. Let me do analysis from the top down. Top down. So first, this morning we've had we're in an uptrend. Just as you can see, everybody can see clearly that this is an uptrend right now from the 4-hour time frame. Even if you still shrink it, it's an uptrend because candles are forming consecutive higher highs and higher lows, So you can already see it's a very clean uptrend, right? Like this. And then price gets to this point, 1, 2, 3, These are high and low of the week. That the first two candles. The first two candles. But we're in an uptrend on 4 hour time frame, right? No long talks. Then we'll go on the 1 hour. What is 1 hour currently saying? 1 hour is where I do my current trend. 1 hour is current trend for me. And just check. Okay, 1 hour is also saying that we're in an uptrend. However, we are currently seeing retracement right now as it stands. Correction. So if you must make profits right now, you want to trade now, you want to make profits, buy. If you must buy right, if you must make profit now, it's going to be a buy. So you wait for price to bounce here. You put stop loss here. It's going to be a big one. And you target here. That's if you are okay with doing 1 to 1 reduce to reward. Me, I'm not okay with it. But then this is the analysis here. Smart. So price should bounce off here. Boom. And come up here. So that is 1 to 1.5. 1 to 1.5. Let me put it 1.5. That is, you are risking $100 to make $150. Risking $100 to make $150. That's what we're currently looking at for here. This is for GBP USD. Again, let me snap it and put it in the group for this analysis I just give now again. Are you guys following me? I want to do this screenshot, snapshot here, and I'll drop it in the group again on the Telegram for GBP USD analysis. So if you must make profit right now, this is what you should do. Good. So if you catch that signal, let me know. If you must do now is buy. If you catch that signal, let me know. Just drop number 1 on the chart. If you understand that signal now, just drop number 1 on the chart. Somebody say yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, people are following through, right? You're following through. Okay, you're following through. Good. Let me give it to my mentees first. I'm also giving this one to my mentees since it's on GBP USD. GBP USD is what I'm looking out for. This signal. I give it to them. Please, my mentee, you always know the instruction on how to take signals, which I always give to you guys in the group. All the mentees, you know the instruction about signals. All right. So the next one, I want to go on gold, right? Gold is the next one. Gold, which is most people most loved pairs. Even beginners are loving gold. I'm looking at it and I'm laughing because gold can be very crazy. It has reached people most of their life savings, and it has also given a lot of people money. All right, it's crucial. It's very crucial that you know this. Goods are very volatile. Who is calling me now? Oh, Shams. Shams, let me call you back. I'll call you back. I'm live in class now. So, gold is very volatile. Very, very, very volatile. You guys should know that. Very volatile. So you should be very careful. Very careful on how you trade gold. Correct? Good. So let me do gold analysis. XA USD. William, are you doing that? Okay. Wow. Good. So on last gold signal, yes. Last gold signal got to hit. Okay, let's go and compare now. Let's go. I'm sure everybody can see my screen. I'm sharing the entire. So this was our last gold signal. Last week gold signal. Last week gold signal. I called for a buy here. That price should move from this zone to this zone. That was my analysis. So let's go compare what happened. Risking how many pips? Risking, I can't remember the pip, but I'm sure it should still be here. Gold, this was my gold signal for Monday. Risking 60 pips to catch 102. That's 1 to 5. Is it 1 to 5 now? Wait first. That's 1 to 5 risk to the word. Is 60? So to catch, we want price to go to 3,479. I think amount is okay. Wow, that was a lot that we're targeting. I think 3,479. So that was 1 to 5 that we are targeting at that percentage. So it should be 1,028. Okay, so the risk to reward was 1 to 5.76. That's on gold, but it didn't do much. It only did from this point of entry. Remember the analysis I always give to you guys if you want to make money now. So you don't want to be waiting too long. One thing I just know that some guys you just want to make money now and just hop out. So the gold did max of 1,000 pips for us. 1,000 pips to this point. All right, 1,000 pips, which is fine. Then he went, took out the stop loss that I had set, and then started trending downwards all along. But then let's do the analysis. But the one for last 2 weeks, we all enjoyed the profits. We made crazy amount of money. So let's do the one for this week again. So for gold, let me put on my levels, activate the levels again. Gold is very volatile. If you're a newbie, please stay off of gold. Stay off of gold. That's why I don't always love to talk so much about gold with newbies. It's very volatile. So for gold, if you're a good student now, if you must make profit now, let me do your analysis. Please kindly pay attention. I'm seeing price slashing down again, but I felt more comfortable if price come back to this trend line that it's drawn. One thing I've noticed most of the time is gold always flashes past trend line most of the time. Like you see how this flash can happen. So if I can move this price back to this point, that will mean that I'm overstretching. I'm waiting for price to come to this extent. But if you want to make profit right now, just follow the immediate trend, which is selling. So the best thing is just to sell, put your stop loss here, and target this bottom. That's what I would do if you are to make profits right now. I'll be on a sell. I'll put stop loss here. If you want to trade right now, if you must trade right now, then I'll mean 80 pips to target 1 to 1.60. That's what I'll be targeting. All right. 80 pips to chase 1,033. 133. 80 pips to catch 133. Easy peasy. That's what I'll be looking out forward to doing on gold. So let me screenshot again and drop gold. If you must make profit right now, but otherwise the best analysis is you wait for price to come to this point before shorting, since it's a downtrend. All right, let me still make the two of them, two projections here. This one is what I will look like wanting to have more. I'll be waiting for price to get here. I'm waiting for price to get here, and then my stop loss will be a little bit higher than this high. That'll be what my stop loss is, a little bit above this high. So that'll be my stop loss. This is the most probable. But if you want to make profit right now, you must trade right now, or this Monday. This one might take time, might be like tomorrow. But if you must make profit right now, do this one. All right. So let me screenshot the two of them and drop and share it as a signal for gold students. Okay. Telegram. Don't worry, my mentees, I'll send this one to you as well. All right. Are you guys with me on that? Who is taking the gold trade? Who is taking the gold trade? Just say I am taking the gold trade. If you are taking the gold trade, say I am taking the gold trade. Let me see you guys. Let me know how many people that are actively trading gold. So I'll know the advice to give to you guys. So I'll know the exact advice to give to you guys. Someone said I am not. I love that guy. This billion Mekus. He said I am not. He's being straight. He's being real. I'm taking the gold trade. Good. Someone said I am not. I said good. Someone said I am scared. If you're scared, don't take it. Ashley Rivera. If you're scared, do not take it. You heard my comments. So I just love to be giving you guys real comments, what I think right now. But if you must take trade, that is it. Someone who said I am. I'm not taking gold. Fact said I am not. I'm not. Someone said no. Okay, good. So we have more other ones you can play around with. Don't worry. We have more that one that are more fixed, that are more, it just means scanning. If I scan around, I see, okay, this one is more probable, I'll tell you the truth. This one will give you good results. This one will give you more money for your, but gold right now, that one, it's a no. It might play out, but then it's not so sure with where it's at right now. With where it's at right now, it's not so sure. Okay, it's not so sure. So now the next one, somebody said Euro USD. Euro USD. Someone said, what of GU? That means you are coming in late. I've done GU already. Please, if you are taking this gold signal, let me share my screen. Only risk, in fact, people, we have what to call position size calculator. Lot size calculator. So you are going to put gold here, for example. Let's say you are doing gold. You want to do XAU USD gold here. So let's say you have $100 account, 100. Then you want to risk 10% of your account because it's a small amount of money. 10% is too much, ideally, but it's just $100. I mean, 10% is still $10. So please don't take it to heart and say, oh, why is Jeffrey saying I should risk 10% of my account? When, I mean, I'm only saying risk 10% of $100. But if the money is bigger, my amount, my advice will be different. It will be lesser. All right. So stop loss here on this trade is 80 pips. So I'm going to come here and put 80. All right, and I'll click on calculate. This position size calculator is saying that you use lot size is 0.001. It's not even still available. It's not available on our, we don't use nano lot size on MT4. Okay, so you have to increase this thing. Let's say 20%. It's still 0.03. Wow. No, this is becoming too much. Let's say I'm doing 50%. Let me make it 803. Hold on. $80. I think something, this is 50. It should give you a calculation here. It should give a calculation. But then this is too, let me check the one of Baby Peeps position size calculator. They do almost the same thing. Then the account balance should be $100. Risk percentage should be, say, 20%. Then 80 pips. And then gold. Let's say USD is not available. Gold is not available here. That's why fair people is just the best. Gold is not available. But let me just try with, if you know, gold is very volatile. So ideally, if you are trading with $100 account using it on gold, you're already, like, market is already leading you 10-0. You're already having like a blown account, almost like a blown account. Hello, Mr. Bami. Let me call you back. I'm in class. Thank you, sir. You're almost having like a blown account. You see, if you're using $100 account on gold, you're already risking everything already. So I think that is a problem. So if you must trade gold, have like $1,000 upward. If you must trade it with proper risk, have like minimum of $1,000 upward. All right. If you are trading with $100 on gold, you already, life is leading you, market is leading you 100-0. So use a proper. Someone said I should use my FX book risk calculator. Let's go and check it. My FX book. Anyone want me to use, I'll use it for you. Let's use this one. Portfolio. Where is this thing at? I think. Yeah, it's here. Home. Class calculator. So I think they should have good XAU. Good. So account size is $100. And risk percent, let's say 10. Stop loss is 80 pips. Let's say calculate. No, this is not telling us the lot size to use. It's only saying, okay, trade size, lot size 0.0. No, it's 0.01 that we do. So it's saying 13 should use 0.01 lot. Use 0.01 lot. That means 13 units. Let me swap it in terms of money. To reach $10. What changes? 10%, 13 units, 0.01 lots. Okay, saying 0.01 lot that you should use in that regard. So if you're using 0.01, if you whipsaw against you with this number of pips, you'll be losing $10. I think it will be more because it is not usually exact. I think it will be more. It might be more. That's what I think right there. It might be more. All right. So that's for good analysis. See, prime market is already moving up to this point, but just still hold. If you're on a sell, I'm saying price should go down to this point. And this is your stop loss point. Always make sure you apply stop losses too as well. So now the next thing is let's go for Euro USD. I see people asking for Euro USD too as well. Euro USD. On Euro USD, I can see a very clear uptrend too, just as GBP USD, just as with GBP USD. So on Euro USD, we see for last week one on Monday was my first analysis. I said price was going to go up from this point, so price went up really well. Oh my goodness, price went up really well. Let's put our phone on. Price went up really well, and it did about this much. It did 45 pips, and we're risking 19 pips. It did 45 pips before coming down to hit stop. So let's say it even lingered up until Wednesday. So to me, I'll calculate this as a win, because if you are by that on Monday, price would have already gotten here, and most of us would have actually hopped out. So it's a win. So let's do the other analysis for today again. The analysis for today that I'm seeing, permit me, let me go to the higher time frame. Let's do a top-down analysis. Let's see things clearly. 1, 2. We're on a downtrend on gold on the daily time frame. From the 4-hour time frame, we're in an uptrend. All right, it's a very clear uptrend. So now we have to readjust our trend lines so that it properly fits. On 4-hour time frame too, we are in an uptrend. Interesting. Uptrend, and I can see another trend line from this bottom. I'm seeing a buy already on Euro USD, a buy. If you are on a buy, please hold your buy strongly. So buy right now. If you have not on a buy yet, you can still get in. You will make good profit off of this one. Put your stop loss 24 pips away. Target this much. I personally think price will get here to get to the next psychological level. So this 1 to 2. So instead of trading gold, I prefer you put your money here on Euro USD. It's more probable. That's if you trade it. Right? So let me share this signal to the mentees first, then before I take it out to the public. Share it. Buy right now. All right, buy. So one thing I do about the mentorship and the free one is I always I filter the one I send out to them. I filter like gold one. I'm not going to send gold signal to the mentorship because I know it's too risky. But then why I send out the good one to every other person is I know some other people may want to take it and just want to risk it. Euro USD, good. So someone else saying GBP JPY. I've done GBP USD, GBP JPY, GBP JPY. We have GBP JPY. Okay, good. Let's go on GBP JPY. This from Compassionate Heart. We've done GBP USD before, man. Check the channel if you want to see my GBP USD analysis. So on GBP USD, let's go. I mean, GBP JPY rather. GBP. Adobe keep popping up. JPY. So last 2 weeks we hit take profits on GBP JPY. GBP JPY last week too, we also did hit take profits, but it wasn't easy. I mean, look at the choppiness. Just look at it. Like for me, I can't be coping with this type of market. It's too epileptic, you see. See, although he gave us clean 1 to 2, but I don't think you guys even wait till this take profit. Did you wait? Did you wait till this take profit hit? I'm not sure some of you waited because it got to like Wednesday, just like with which other pair now we just did. I think on Euro USD. It's too long. So some of you, being practical, some of you would have actually exited. Let's say like on a Monday self. On Monday, like you'd have gotten this number of pips. So this is how I would have thought you guys would have killed it. Maybe like 32 pips instead of waiting all this much. But then story, we hit the take profit there. Good stuff. But then let's see what's currently going on. Let's check 4 hours too. We're in a clear uptrend, like no argument. 1 hour is also a very, very clear uptrend, but it's looking like it's starting to break that. Which I don't believe. Which I don't believe it at all. So I'm looking at it as a form of retest. I'm looking at a form of retest that price will soon start going up again. Form of retest and price start surging to the upside. But however, there's a psychological level here. Let me put it quick. 19,500, 200. This should be 1900, 1990, 1909. So I'll wait for price to come on here and then I'll shoot for a buy. I'm seeing more of buy on GBP JPY. 1, 2. This is a third bounce. This is a third bounce. So price from here should do a W proper. Then we should be longing. Proper longing. Like proper long from here. Yes. To buy until I know that price will definitely take at this high. So that's why I would like it to be like not too ambitious, but let's keep it this way. So that'll be 60 pips. You're risking 60 pips to catch 145. That's 1 to 2.4. You're risking 1 to catch 2.4. So thank you. I'll be sending this one out to the mentees too as well. This is a very nice signal. I downloaded this instead of copy. So if are you going to be taking the between GBP JPY and Euro USD, which one would you be taking? Me, I would advise you take GBP. Euro USD more because Euro USD is happening like right now. But GBP JPY, you have to be ready to spend some time to wait too, and it has more stop loss threshold. So this is GBP JPY is also a very good one. If you trade it to consider taking it up. All right, if you trade it, consider taking it up. Cool. Then which other pair am I seeing? Which other pair? Williams join. People are asking for BTC. Join this thing. I see we're already in profits in the mentorship, right? Okay, just join. I will ask you to come on soon. USD JPY, good. USD JPY. USD JPY. I analyzed this pair last week too, I remember. Let's check what our result was. So guys, for last 2 weeks, we hit take profits clean. Last week, price went messed up with our stop losses before moving up. So we hit stop loss. We hit stop loss last week. Bam. Okay, no problem. But then you see it moved in our direction, but that doesn't count because stop loss has already been taken out. So we eliminate this one. Wow. Where USD JPY is right now, I'll prefer it's showing signs of sales because this is a high. JPY I love to do uptrending. It's always uptrending if you check most of the time. So what I'll most likely stay with at this point is I'd rather be on a buy side with Euro JPY. It's inverse with what we are doing with GBP USD, but I'd rather be on a buy side. Maybe not take or be neutral. I would not trust this sell that is happening. Instead, I want to be on a buy instead, because this is a very strong uptrend. If I'm selling now, I'm fighting the trend. It's me fighting against the trend, and these are things I don't like to do. I don't like to fight the trend at all, except maybe when I want to scalp. So instead, I like to stay in line with the trend. So the best bet here at this point is to wait for price to dash down, and then I'll be on the long side. That's what I'll be choosing. I would rather want to be on a long. I'll be risking 38 pips to catch ×2, because I know I'll prefer this analysis over anyone. Because see, check, price bounce off here, one bounce, second bounce, this is a third bounce. Third bounce are usually very sharp and very fast. So I love, in fact, I can even do 1 to 3 on this one. It will take out this high. I can do 1 to 3 on this trade. Take out this high. Euro JPY, another sweet analysis again here. Very interesting analysis. Very interesting. So I'll share this one too with the team. So the next one is going to be USD CAD. All right. First, before I go to the next one, let me be sure we are all on the same page. Ish. So the next one is going to be USD CAD, right? It's like this guy's in trouble with USD CHF. Did you place trade? Because I say, please do USD CHF. Do USD CHF. All right, let's do USD CHF. Someone said there is news coming up in USD. Once you are correct in terms of your analysis and the side that you take, trust me, you definitely shouldn't be so scared of news. And there's a stop loss, then you're good. There's stop loss. So let me do USD CAD. USD CAD. After this, I will let William to do BTC, and then I'll continue with other analysis. USD CAD. Wow. Last week, I predicted for a buy on USD CAD, and I looked at it as a form of zone. That price get to this zone before going up. What happened? Price came down, took out our stop. After taking our stop, it started moving in that desired direction at about the length we say take profit. Because I told you guys that it's going to be a very nice ride, because USD CAD love to trend a lot in one direction. I love USD CAD. All right. But last 2 weeks, what did we do? What did we achieve last 2 weeks with USD CAD? Because like I didn't call trade on it in the last 2 weeks because there's no map here. Mark out. But then you guys see, it took us out, started trending this way. Don't worry, we have to give it enough breathing space this week. Enough breathing space. So let's start from the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we have price 1, 2, and then this is third. Just like USD JPY. Me, I rather want to be on a long again. I'll be on a long. This is a level that I'm saying. Or rather want to long from here. Put my stop here. And my long should be taking out this high. In fact, taking out this high. That's 1 to 6 risk to reward. 1 to 6. Almost 1 to 6. Good. So this is not a trade that you should rush. Just calm down, wait for price to get to certain level. This is a very nice, or take it from this psychological level, guys. Take it on this psychological level, and then price will bounce up. But if price doesn't get to this psychological level, he's already reversing. You see it on this psychological level, hop on. It's a very fantastic trade setup, I see. So let me delete this one so we don't get confused. and it's a proper break too as well. Proper break up to the proper break to the upside. So you wait for price to get to somewhere around here and then you go long. That's what I'm saying. So do this analysis on your end and you keep it. This is the stop loss level. This is everything. So let me share this trade with everybody again. And then I'll allow BTC USD to come. So William, you can share your screen.
Sharing already. So basically, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, everybody.
Your camera is not on.
My camera is on. So I'm basically. So what I'm basically looking out for is a buy. As you can see, we're in profit already. Currently at on my end there, I'm at 554 USD already in profit, and I'm still expecting markets to still buy. What made my buyers to buy? Why is it they buy? It's pretty much very simple. I come to the daily time frame to look for the overall direction of the trend. The market is just telling me that the market is an uptrend. Bitcoin is telling me that it's literally is an uptrend. Then I come to the 4 hours to look for the pattern. Pretty much simple. Just understanding structures, understanding chart pattern, and that's all. You understand? So if you notice there is no psychological level here, there is no trend line or anything, just by understanding what market, the direction of the market, that's what we just have to use the flow of the river. And when I come to the 4 hours time frame, there was no pattern given to me that market wants to reverse. So I now came to the 1 hour time frame to check the current trend. The current trend was giving me like a W pattern on the 1 hour time frame. So I just said, okay, for a fact, on the 15 minutes time frame, what I'm expecting is to see the candlestick. What candlestick was I looking out for? I was looking out for engulfing candle or harami candlestick or some or spinning top, depending on the area where it is. So when I saw the candlestick there, I shot in for a buy, and literally we are eating already on Bitcoin USD. So the confluences you need to use is trend line. As you can see, there's a trend line there. If I apply my psychological level there on that particular area where we entered, just change the coordinates, click on it and change the coordinates. It's 69,118. You just have to change it to a round number. So the coordinate will be 69,150. So there's a psychological level there, there's a trend line there, and there's a W pattern formation with a candlestick. So you can say that this is like a 4/4 confluence meeting up at the same time, telling us the market should buy with the direction of the market. So that's why we're just shorting for a buy. That's all. So you just have to make sure that whenever you're trading or whenever you're analyzing, you have to make it keep it as simple as possible. If you can't explain this to someone, to a 2-year-old child or a 5-year-old child, trust me, you're doing something wrong. Trading needs to be very simple. And I'm still expecting market to come up to 71,210 for Bitcoin before we can start exiting. But if market does not come up to that 71,210, what you need to look out for is candlestick. The candlestick reaction at a particular area before it comes up to that particular take profit area that we're expecting, you exit. The candlestick I'm talking about is bearish candlestick and the pattern formation of an M pattern. But literally, this is not the right time to exit. There's no reason for you to exit. Still holding for this buy till it gives you that confirmation or that reason to exit the market. So that's it basically. Keeping it as simple as possible, guys. Just keep it as simple as possible. Yeah, so that's it basically. Let me check if you have any question on Bitcoin or the analysis already, can you let me know? Can you let me know? Okay, so no, you don't need to exit. Why exit? You don't need to exit. There's no reason to exit the market, please. There's no reason to exit the market. Because of the candlestick is burning out, does not mean you should exit. Do you understand? So literally just wait for market to what? Give you a pattern to exit the market based on your trading plan. So do not trade with emotion. Just be very neutral around markets. Just have Be disciplined with your trading plan, and everything will just work out fine for you. Let your analysis have an edge. Let your strategy has an edge. If your strategy have an edge, just stick to risk management, and you're good to trade Bitcoin or whichever pair that the signal has been dropped upon. All right. So that's it basically. Yeah. Thank you so much, Sir Jeff.
All right, thank you, Williams. Amazing analysis. Thank you. Thank you. So, I see some of the comments now. I want to address some of the comments I'm seeing in the comment section, the live chat. So first, there's someone here that is saying that I am scamming him or something. I want to start from that person. The person's name is Samo Olubumi. Number one, if it shows that you are not so smart, you don't understand what you're saying. Someone online asks you to give them money and then you're actually giving them money. I have an office here in Lagos, in Lekki, and you're a Nigerian, right? What stops you from coming to the office to do confirmation? What stops you from going to our website? What stops you? And I always give out an announcement: do not send money to anybody claiming to be Jeffrey Benson. Even me, if I ask you for money, do not give it to me. It's not simple. So what is scamming? You pay for mentorship. Are you not getting what you paid for? What is scamming? I don't trade for people. I don't take investments. If I ask you, anybody using my name on Facebook, anywhere, you must be from Facebook, I'm sure, because a lot of scams on Facebook and TikTok. That's where you're having this problem from. If you say I'm scam, come to the office and challenge me. It's very simple. I'm in Road 25, Ikota Villa, Lekki, Lagos, right? Come. You say, okay, I pay for your mentorship on your website and you did not deliver. And you show me your history. Who did you pay to? Somebody's asking you to pay. He's giving you Bitcoin account. You are paying. It's not giving you a company account. Our company is registered. You think I'm scam and I'm this popular and everybody EFCC knows, the police know, they are knowing I have registration and everything. And you still think you're just not smart. Stop displaying your foolishness. You threw your money away to a scammer without confirming. I mean, that's not sensible, man. I always give idea announcement every day. Do not send money to me. I won't ask. I won't chat you first. Obviously, people that are popular have people scamming them every now and then. I mean, see what your other colleagues are. They say I should just leave you alone. Use sense. Be smart. Be smart. Do not send money to other people. I say it every now and then. Your fellow Nigerian grab you. You still saying you that you still scam yourself. It's a fellow Nigerian that scams you. You're there talking about scam. What did you pay for? What the only thing I sell? The only thing I give out is mentorship. Is it that you pay for mentorship I didn't offer you? Is that where the scam came from? Where did the scam come from? I mean, he's saying scam. And I give out this disclaimer. Even on my TikTok, the first post, they always I pinned it on my TikTok. Go and check it. Do not send money to me. I don't take investments. I won't chat you first. I won't ask you to send money on Bitcoin. If you want to join our mentorship, which is teaching, go to firepipsfs.com. Simple. That's the only thing. So where have I said, where did you join the mentorship and I did not offer the mentorship? That's where you can call me a scam. Simple. So please be guided. Don't give out your money to strangers and be saying that, okay. Everybody, even people have Michael Jackson still have a fake page till today. You're talking about you gave your money to a fake page. You're saying that you gave it to me. Yes, somebody say, am I on Facebook? Yes, I'm on Facebook. It's with I don't really because Facebook is so confusing. My account right now is about 37,000 followers. Maybe that one will make you to know the real one. But please, no matter any platform, don't give me money. Anybody saying that Jeff Benson, give me money, do not. We have Instagram, we have Telegram. Let me give you out my real links. And even on these links, none of my people will ask you to give them money. Instead, they are direct you to the website. And on the website, you pay through Paystack and to Fire People company account. There's nothing like individual account, please. Even the account is showing my name. OPay allow you to give OPay or PalmPay, one of these payment things. They allow you to create a name with any random name without verification. I don't know why they do that, but you can only send some amount of money. So if anybody is even saying pay to Jeffrey, it's a Jeffrey Benson account, please do not send money. I will never ask you to send to my personal account. Okay, good. I believe that's already settled. And then there's one person that is saying, he's saying a $10 guy. Oh my goodness. You're trying to cut corners, you're looking for cheap. You're looking for cheap means. There are so many Facebook, I know. There are so many Telegram too as well. So let me just give you the real Telegram link right now. If you want to be on my Telegram channel, my Telegram channel right now, we're about 38,000 people. But however, it's still not a guarantee that is the right one, because some people can just inflate the number. They buy followers and all those kind of things. So this is my real Telegram right here. Write it in full. Fire Pips Signals. Add the S. Or let me give you a link that you could just impute. Okay, here's the link. Click on this link right now to join our Telegram, please, so you can stop saying that you are scammed by XYZ, this one, that one. All right, click on this link. Please be guided, guys. Don't get scammed or anything. This is my real one. This is my real one. All right. This is my Telegram. Facebook, I'll look for the days. We used to have, like, what's it called, a link tree, right? So let me look for that link tree. This is my link tree. That link tree gives you the link to all of our social platforms. Just click on this link tree to give you everything: Instagram, Facebook, everything. So I hate to see when somebody's saying it's been scammed and he's saying, calling my name. It's annoying when I'm just at home chilling. If I eat your money, it's another thing. Another person that eats your money is separate. Another person you're dragging is separate. Why? All right, so let's go. So that's the link tree. Link tree contains all the links you need. And the best thing to even get our official link, go to our website, firepipsfx.com. On that website, you can go to the footer. That's when you're going to see the real. When you come here, firepipsfx.com, come to the bottom. You can see this is our real telephone number. This is our address. This is this place. This is our Facebook, this is our Twitter, this is our Instagram. You can use this one to connect us. Just click on here on these logos. They will take you directly to that place. All right. So let's go back to analysis. Let's talk about analysis. And there was one person too, before I continue with the analysis. Somebody said, someone said about, the news is coming. How can I be buying GBP USD and I'm buying USD CAD, USD JPY? I said, I know someone will come and say something like that. If you notice, the stop loss that I gave on USD CAD and on USD JPY, they are quite bigger. All right. Why most people actually fail is because they believe too much things. They say correlations. I was also a victim of all these correlations too as well. What made me to lose $190,000? Inexperienced people, they are in this market. People lose crazily. You think that this correlation, if you are buying GBP USD, sell USD JPY, because you are indirectly saying opposite, my dear. You can be buying GBP USD. GBP USD can be buying, and Euro USD will be selling when they are supposed to be doing the same thing, you would think, right? So it is very important you treat each pair based on following trend independently, not trying to do the correlation type of thing. Don't say, okay, because GBP USD is buying, so Euro USD too should be buying. All right. Sometimes what is affecting Euro might be different from what is affecting GBP. Though they are being paired against two USD, but then what the factors that could affect Euro might not affect GBP at that particular time. Pound might be on GBP USD might buy, but pound is heavier. So something else, it might not buy as much as you think. That's why you see anytime an NFP gets released, if it is positive for USD, that is USD should be strong, should be going up, then that means GBP USD should drop. You see that the drop on GBP USD will not be as much as it drops so well on Euro USD. That's there. You just treat each pair independently. Leave all this correlation. That correlation thing has messed many people off. So just know what you are doing. Okay, just know what you are doing and trade everything independently. So you notice the stop loss I give is different. So the threshold, the breathing space you give to all of them should be different. Okay. Let's go. See what this guy said. So Jeff made me a better trader without knowing him. So if you really know what you're doing, most times you will catch the knowledge. Sharp. All right, let's go. Let's do some more analysis. So if you notice the analysis I gave to this one on GBP on USD CAD, price getting here, you longing, you know that is a third bounce. We following the trend. Simple. I'm a pure technicalist, I'm not a fundamental trader. But then I'm not saying denying the fact that fundamental doesn't work. It works, but then I just do what my analysis says is pure. Sometimes you have to act like a robot with trading in order for you to be successful. So here's Euro JPY. Good. We've not done this pair in a very long while. We've not touched this pair. So now it's about time for us to do our proper analysis on this pair from A to Z. So first thing, looking at this chart is I want to put my levels. It's JPY pairs. You have to just follow with me. It's 33 figure before the decimal. $169,500. That's the 50 pips. Okay. To the upside, 170,500. I'm still seeing an up movement. On all this movement, I'm seeing an up movement right now. Why? First, we're in an uptrend. To an aggressively uptrending market. Some people here in the comment that are just giving advice. They don't trade though. Some of them are demo traders. So they are not really trading. They are not actively trading. But I'm trading every day. You're telling me, do you even know the current market condition? Do you know the behavior? People want advice and opinion. Hey. You check that is when you say bring trading history and bring track record, that's when you see people say, but then even though I graduated from this academy, you have to make sure you're actively trading before you talk here. Before you come here and talk about analysis, you see track record before you talk. When I'm talking about track record, it's not just car or house or anything. No, bring track record, bring proper trading here. Your account, bring it. Fine, car and this thing, they are there, but then I don't downplay it. It's there, but bring proper. Bring my FX book. Let's see. All right. So look at this part now. I love this type of analysis. Why? Because it's pure technical. Since price is respecting or this level is being respected, it's bouncing off at this point. Most likely, if any drop that come here, I will likely want to be a buy. All right. This type of trade, do not dull it. If you get in, put your stop loss. If price move in your favor a little bit to the equal to this high, break even. But then this should be your target. So let's be conservative. Let's do 1 to 3 exact. 1 to 3 exact. So you are risking 26 pips to catch 78 pips. 1 to 3 risk to reward. No long talks. So this should be the entry level. This signal is very sweet too. If I were you, I'd just look for the 2 most suitable for me and I'll leave the other ones. Don't waste your money on too many signals. Put 2 most strong ones like Euro USD and Euro JPY. It's my sweetest so far. The one I think that I love most so far. Euro USD, Euro JPY. But if you only trade one pair, please stick to one. Please kindly know why I'm doing all this analysis. That doesn't mean, Jeff, are you not trading all these pairs? No. I only do GBP USD. So, but I know that we have about 1,500 people on this live stream. How many people? 1,002 or 1,003 right now. I know that everybody must not be doing GBP USD before you can be successful. Some are doing Euro JPY, some are doing GBP JPY, GBP NZD. So that's why I'm doing all this analysis. So just pick the one that suits you and move on. But so far, so good. The one I love most that I see they will make more money or easy money is Euro JPY and Euro USD. So far, so good. Those are the people that I've seen. That these are the 2 finest analysis I'm really happy about. Let's go. This one is Euro JPY. Let me send it to the people. Please, if you're on the Telegram, I just sent it to you again. So for those guys in the mentorship too as well, I just sent it to as well. Euro JPY. So give me one more analysis to do for you guys. Then I'll be signing out because already I'm 1 hour. Euro JPY. Already an hour now. It's already an hour. So time up. Someone said I love trading Euro JPY. Now let me just give no more analysis for any other pair. Let me just give a background on how to handle analysis. This is the risk management side. All right. Please, guys, be stuck to learning risk management. In any trade that you are in a big account, risk 1% with proprietary firms, maximum of 1%, 0.5% to 1%. That's what you should be risking. That is, if you pick up the commonest account that people buy is $10,000 account, risk 1%. 1% of $10,000, I think that should be $100. That's what you should be risking per trade. And then if it goes well in your favor, you start doubling down. Don't look to pass your proprietary firm in one day. But for those who have their own personal account, say you have $1,000 account funded, $500 account funded, or $100 account, risk if anything, $100 or $50 to $999 to before you get to $1,000, risk 10% of your account, 20% of your account, because it's small amount of money. But if you have $1,000 up onto say $10,000, you want to start risking under 10% downwards. But if you have $10,000 upwards to like 100K, you can be doing like 3% to 5% because your personal funds. But if it's proprietary firm, strictly 0.5% to 1%. And in terms of psychology, come into the mentorship, we'll teach you more about that. The mentorship is pretty simple. I'm taking new students. Make sure you guys be a part of this. We have the monthly plan, 3-month plan, 6-month plan, 12-month plan. And we are currently talking about proper structure in the mentorship. So I'm going to be having a meeting with all the mentees that I'm having today by 3 p.m. Please make sure you guys are available. I know some mentees are here. Make sure you're available. We're having a new structure to things so you guys can learn faster and then have a proper reward system for learning. All right. So make sure you guys keep the fire peeping and be good. Please do not send money to someone who is asking you to send money to them, because I won't do that. I won't chat you first. If you are doing that, if I see that you defame me, I might call police on you, because I don't take things like that for granted. I'll call police for you so you can bring proof, but you know how sure I am with my dealings. All right, guys, take it easy and be good, guys. I'll see you guys on the brighter side. And it's currently labor strike. Very, very good time for you to come and learn how to trade Forex. We are here for you. Remember, we are #1 plug. Bye for now, guys.